Welcome to MS Auto Review, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews and insights. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Audi Q7, a luxury SUV that seamlessly blends performance, technology, and comfort. With refreshed styling, new powertrain options, and cutting-edge features, does the latest Q7 maintain its status as a top-tier family SUV? Let's find out. The 2025 Audi Q7 boasts a refined and modern exterior. A refreshed front grille with a bold new design, sharper LED headlights, and a sculpted body give it a more aggressive and sophisticated presence. The rear now features updated taillights and a redesigned bumper, enhancing its sleek and elegant look. With available 21-inch alloy wheels and an optional black optic package, the Q7 delivers a commanding road presence. Under the hood, Audi offers multiple powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine produces 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, delivering smooth and efficient performance. For those craving more power, the available 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 with mild hybrid assistance generates 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, providing strong acceleration and refined driving dynamics. At the top of the lineup, the Q7 model packs a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 with 500 horsepower, making it a true performance SUV. All models come equipped with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission for seamless power delivery. Step inside, and the Q7's luxurious and tech-forward cabin impresses immediately. High-quality materials such as Valcona leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents elevate the interior ambiance. The dual-screen MMI infotainment system includes a 10.1-inch upper display for navigation and media controls, while the lower 8.6-inch screen handles climate settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with an available Bang & Olufsen premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Audi ensures that the Q7 is packed with advanced safety and driver assist features. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and Audi's Pre-Sense safety suite, which enhances crash prevention. The optional night vision assistant and 360-degree camera system further improve visibility and situational awareness, making driving safer and more convenient. Despite its luxury and performance focus, the Q7 remains a highly practical family SUV. The 3-row seating configuration offers ample space for up to 7 passengers, with power-folding third-row seats for added convenience. Cargo capacity is generous, making it perfect for road trips or daily commutes. The adaptive air suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, while available off-road modes provide extra capability for adventurous drivers. Facing competition from the BMW X7 and Mercedes-Benz GLE, the 2025 Audi Q7 stands out with its balance of performance, luxury, and technology. With a starting price that aligns with its premium positioning, it remains a top choice for those seeking a well-rounded and sophisticated luxury SUV. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to subscribe to MS Auto Review for more in-depth car insights. Like, comment, and let us know, does the 2025 Audi Q7 meet your expectations? Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.